Usapan natin, bigyan natin ng so magbibigay tayo ng tips kung paano ma-unlock itong si Influencer Hub kay Sweatcoin application. Okay, napakasimple lang guys. Syempre, okay, so based on their websites, merong tatlong steps to become an influencer at paano mo ma-unlock itong si Influencer Hub. Syempre kailangan nyo mag-sign up kay Sweatcoin application gamit ang inyong Google account. And pangalawa is kailangan nyong mag-invites ng 20 unique users na gamit ang inyong mga referral link. So, klaro yan, no? Kailangan nyo mag-invites ng 20 unique users gamit ang inyong referral link. Okay, so una,